Yesterday, the American markets cracked. Treasury yields went up. That means bonds also rallied. What happened? What did the Fed Reserve say? Let's take a look. Welcome back to Be Rich. Yesterday, Jerome Powell, the Fed Reserve chief, said that the American economy is going to take a long time to recover. All the stimulus given by Donald Trump and the liquidity arranged by him is not going to allow them going to create a V-shaped recovery. The recovery is going to take a very long time and it is going to be very painful. All the money sunk in is not going to immediately snap a recovery at once, and the markets are overreacting. This, I think, indirectly he hinted at the April rally where markets behaved as if things are normal, earnings are going to be normal, and the entire business will start acting normally. Like I said before, Goldman Sachs, shared the Goldman Sachs piece before. What Powell did was talk reality. The reality is that in the first quarter of this year, the American GDP is going to decline substantially. The second quarter is going to be worse. Any recovery is going to happen only in the fourth quarter. This means that the entire year's GDP is going to be negative. What Paul warned is that if the recovery doesn't happen in the fourth quarter and slips into the next year, a recession can become a depression, though he didn't use the word depression. These are really tough times. If fuel prices don't recover, certain sections of American economy are badly hit. Already several big importers who import products from China and Asia have gone bankrupt. Several oil companies have gone bankrupt. If people are not employed by July, the possibility of a Christmas season coming to help the market recover is not possible. And if you compare previous year Christmas sales with this year's Christmas sales, there is going to be a big drop. So there is a possibility of the entire year being negative and recovery spilling over to the next year. This means technically we may have 4 quarters of recession. A 4-quarter recession means that the American market is in a depression reality, and he believes that the equity markets are not factoring in the reality, and the federal government needs to do a lot more. Let us look back let us compare this with India. India has not announced any fiscal stimulus. All the stimulus, so-called stimulus, is coming back by Reserve Bank of India printing notes and trying to shove it through the banks. This is not going to revive. If America with 3 lakh crores of stimulus cannot revive, there is no hope for the Indian market. Let's look at the Indian market. The Indian market is fully dependent on the Reserve Bank to stimulate the economy. If America with 3 lakh crores dollars in fiscal stimulus does not recover, there is no hope for Indian recovery. The MSME and SME need direct fund transfers. The poorest of the poor need great fund transfer. The producing states of the south need labor. The labor with great difficulty which migrated to North India is going to take at least 6 months before they come to India. This year is a washout. We do not know how bad the recession in India is going to be. In my estimate, earnings will suffer by 10% and could even suffer a 20% drop. A 20% drop in earnings is a calamity. Even with a 10% drop, we are looking at a nifty earnings of 390. 10,000 is too much of a valuation. If the forward earnings are 390, 10,000 is too much of a valuation. And even at 15 times earnings, it is at 6,000. That is why I keep arguing that 6,000 is well within the realms of possibility. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, please press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I have given a WhatsApp number in which if you send a message, my team will get in touch with you. If you would like to talk to me directly, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. At the very outset, I have a request to make. My young team is highly motivated if you hit the like button. If you like the quality of our content, hit the like button. I thank you from the bottom of my heart.